guys, it's Abby here with Abby the Hair Accessories. Welcome back to my channel. Today I am super excited to share with you 4 easy hairstyles that you can do, and they are all going to include the headband. This is just one of the hairstyles that I'm going to share with you today, along with 4 other very easy ones. So I hope you guys enjoy this and find it helpful. Let's go ahead and get started. Alright, so for each of these hairstyles today, I'm going to be using our headband, and this one is called Colors on Parade. I love all the pretty colors in there, but you guys, I have to share something super unique about our headbands, and that is this adjustable strap on the back. This makes it so that you can make it larger or smaller depending on your hair size. So you can get a headband that fits your head size perfectly. No more headaches from headbands that are too tight. No more headaches from headbands that dig in behind your ears. You know, those plastic ones with the little teeth that are so uncomfortable. Oh, you guys, headbands are so frustrating to wear. Even though they're so pretty, it's so hard to find comfortable ones. So I am super excited to share with you these adjustable headbands. This strap also comes in 4 different colors: black, brown, blonde, and silver. So you can get a strap that matches your hair color. Alright, so for this first style, I am going to start by taking my hair stick, and I am going to separate out the front section of my hair. So I'm going to go to about right behind my ears. Just make a straight line there, and then I'm going to do the same thing on the other side. Separate that out. And then I'm going to take this back section of hair here, and I'm not going to do anything fancy. I'm going to just put this in a quick bun to get it out of the way. Alright, so now that I have the front section separated out, I'm going to take my headband and I'm going to adjust this strap to the largest setting, and then I'm going to just slip this over my head. Alright, and then I'm going to turn around and adjust this strap and tighten it up just a little bit so that it fits my head size. Okay, and then I'm going to take this hair stick back out. All right, and then I'm going to take this front section of hair, and as you can see, I have bangs, so I'm going to just kind of let those bangs fall out. And then I'm going to take this section of hair and this section of hair, and I'm going to bring these to the back and hold them together with one hand. Just fix my bangs here. All right, and then taking my flexi clip, which this one actually matches the headband. This one is called Colors on Parade as well, and it's this cute little peacock. I think it's so pretty. All right, so then I'm gonna slide the pin underneath, and I'm gonna grab a little bit of hair from under here as well. So I'm gonna slide the pin under, poke it out on the other side, and then just push it through the flexi clip on top. All right, and then as you can see, this hair got pulled straight back, so I'm gonna just use my finger and just kind of pull this over to the side to expose this headband here, because I wanna be able to see that. All right, and then you can see as I pulled that down, it kind of created a little bit of a swoop here on both sides, which just adds an extra touch to the hairstyle. So I like adding the headband up here just because it adds an extra pop of color and it's super pretty. All right, and then for this next hairstyle, I am gonna leave the headband exactly the way it is with this hair up front. And then I'm gonna actually use a hair stick for this style. So now I'm gonna just bring this hair to the back, gather all of my hair into a ponytail, smooth out any lumps and bumps. All right, and then I'm gonna just hold the base of this ponytail and give it a twist. And then just wrap it into a bun. All right, and then taking my hair stick, I'm gonna grab a little bit of hair from the edge and then push to the outside of the bun, just like that. And then I'm gonna wrap it around and then push it out the other side of the bun. And then I'm gonna just feel and make sure that there's no hair covering up this headband. I'm gonna just move it down so I can see that headband all the way around. All right, great. Then holding this bun, I'm gonna use my other hand and I'm gonna just pull at this hair just a little bit to add some volume and poof up there so it's not quite so flat. And there we go. All right, and then for this third hairstyle, I have left everything the same. I still have the headband here and the hair in front of the headband, and I'm gonna just pull all of my hair over to the side here. And then I'm gonna take my flexi clip, and this is the knot style, and I'm gonna just slide the pin underneath and then push the pin through the flexi on the other side, and then just pull it to snug it up a little bit, and there we go. All right, and then for this last hairstyle, I'm gonna take my headband and I'm gonna put it over my head and then down around my neck. And then I'm gonna bring the hair over top. And then I'm gonna just bring this up. I don't like pulling all the hair like straight back from my face. So I'm gonna just let this hair swoop here, and I'm gonna just pull the headband on over my ears. And that is just your very basic, simple headband style. I hope you guys enjoyed that. Please let me know down in the comments which style was your favorite. I would love to hear. Also, I will be linking my website down in the description, so if you want to find any of these hair accessories that I used today, you can just go ahead and click on that link. I wanted to let you guys know also that during the month of May, this is only available for the month of May, you can actually get a headband for free with any order of $50. Headbands are normally $24, so to get one for free is a huge deal. I hope you guys will be able to take advantage of that. Let me know if you have any questions. You can drop them down in the comments below, or you can also contact me through my Instagram page, which will also be linked down below. If you haven't yet, please be sure to subscribe to my channel. You can click on the button that's going to pop up on the screen here, and then you will be notified every time I post a new tutorial. Thank you guys for watching. I so appreciate it, and I hope you all have a wonderful day. I'll see you around next week.